Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set up Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your BlackShark Pad 7 Pro. So we're gonna start off with something really easy, which is Wi-Fi. We're gonna open up settings and you'll already be in the network and internet. Here, you want to click on internet and choose your network. Once you choose it, you have to enter the password. Now, of course, I have to redo it again, but once you basically enter your password, you can click on the check mark and it will already be connected. So it's really easy. Now we're gonna move on to something harder because we're gonna go and open up the Bluetooth settings. So first we have the connected devices. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna go to connection preferences, go to Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Now we will see our device name. We're gonna click pair new device. And here you need to know how to pair your device. So I have the AirPods 3 Pros. These are the latest AirPods. And I just double tap the front case, but it's different for everybody. As you guys can see now, they're white here. So we are waiting for them to pop up on our tablet. As you guys can see, they're here. And we're gonna go and click pair. Now we heard the sound. It was my AirPods. Let's see if they are connected. So here we have them. They are active, and that's how you guys can do it. So that's how you guys can set up your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This was really simple. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.